And on the biggest story tonight, first up, we're getting big breaking news of Myanmar government handing over 22 insurgents to India and who have been brought back today via a special plane. What we're also getting to know that this has been done due to the intervention of NSA Ajit Doval. Let's go across to my colleague Tejinder joining us with more details.
Yes, Shivani, this is a big news that is coming, that it is because of the intervention and mediation by the NSA Ajit Doval with the Burmese government, the Myanmar government. The Myanmar military has handed over 22 insurgents. These are the northeast-based insurgents, and now the insurgency in northeast, their backbone has already broken because 22 insurgents, and what we have been told that these are some of the big names in the northeastern insurgency, and these 22 northeast insurgents have been handed over to the government of India by the Myanmar military today, and they have already been brought back on a special plane to India. These planes have landed in Imphal and Guwahati, and these are some of the biggest name of insurgency in the northeastern states of India. And now, because of the efforts of the NSA, the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, the Myanmar government, the Myanmar military, they have handed over these insurgents to India. So clearly a big win for India that these insurgents have been handed over to India. The 22 of them have already landed in India. They have landed in...
Yes.
They were
Shravan Sen, our senior editor, is also joining us, Tejinder. Let me go across to him because we cannot look at what has happened today in isolation. Shravan, over the last few years, in fact, under NSA Ajit Doval, there has been a consistent effort being made to make sure that insurgency in the northeast is brought down and is brought under control. There have been, in fact, certain special, campaigns that have been run in that regard as well, and certain military action that has also happened on the border.
Well, in fact, Shivani, we are also picking up some more details of this entire development that has basically taken place and how exactly this has taken place. In fact, in the year 2019 itself, the Indian intelligence agencies had basically, shared certain intelligence inputs with regards to these camps of the insurgent groups operating in the Indo-Myanmar border, especially in Saigon area is what we are given to understand where these camps are operating. Multiple operations were carried out by the Myanmar army, and thereafter 22 of the insurgents were arrested by Myanmar army, and thereafterwards hectic negotiations were basically going on, which was essentially led by the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. In fact, if you look at the 22 insurgents, the breakup of the 22 insurgents, I would like to also point out one particular person of the NDFB, that's Rajan Dayamari, who happens to be, perhaps a big headache for the forces in Assam itself. Rajan Dayamari happens to be one of the biggest insurgent faces who's now been brought back to India and is going to finally face the law. In fact, he's going to be handed over to Assam police. Now, of the 22 insurgent groups, we are given to understand 10 of these insurgents have been linked to the Assam-based insurgent groups, and roughly about 12 of them are basically linked to Manipur-based insurgent groups. So that's the reason why 12 of the insurgents, they would be handed over to Manipur police, and 10 of them would be handed over to Assam police. These are the details that we are picking up at this point in time.